Are you struggling with gut issues, mood swings, or brain fog and wondering why nothing seems to help? Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Rice from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Most people don't realize that the gut and the brain are literally wired together through the vagus nerve. Your gut has 4 essential jobs: breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, eliminating waste, and protecting your bloodstream from toxins. It also produces 90% of your serotonin. When the vagus nerve, your main gut-brain highway, gets irritated from stress or misalignment at the top of the neck, those critical gut functions start to break down. That can show up as bloating, constipation, inflammation, anxiety, or feeling emotionally off for no apparent reason. When we clear interference at the upper neck, we often see digestion improve, mood stabilize, and energy increase, because the gut and brain are communicating the way they're designed to. Here's your action step today. Take 3 slow, deep breaths before each meal to stimulate your vagus nerve and support your gut-brain connection.